Yeah. But it is a city. Okay.
So BIFoR FACE is really important for myself as a researcher here because it's a forest scale experiment, and so that means that it's a very unique experiment. It's one of the only experiments like this in the world. So to be able to study here is really special, and also to be able to get some of the answers that we do is also super special.
Well, it's an absolute pleasure to welcome the UIUC delegation to the BIFoR FACE facility, where we subject very carefully patches of old forest to the atmospheric composition that will be present in the future over the whole planet. And in doing that, we then make every conceivable measurement we can think of to try and understand how the forest responds as a forest, especially to find out whether forests can continue in the future to act as climate helpers for us in the climate emergency.
We're really proud of this facility, and actually we think there's lots of opportunities for further collaboration between Birmingham and UIUC, because we're unique in having these FACE experiments, and also I think there's a real potential for us to work together in Brazil, where they're also building a FACE experiment in the Amazon. So and it's been a beautiful spring day actually, so it's been lovely to experience the English countryside with our friends from UIUC and enjoy something very special. And I've learned a lot listening to Robert, because learning from an expert what questions to ask I've really enjoyed.
For me, as a recovering plant physiologist and now Chancellor of the University, this has been really gratifying. I've heard about this facility, and it's good to see it firsthand and to kind of do some mental comparison to the comparable work that we're doing with the similar project called Soy FACE, where we are enriching the CO2 environment around one of the most important agricultural crops, soybeans, and looking at the effect of elevated CO2 on productions and all kinds of other physiological processes. So this has been really gratifying, and just been excited to be here and see all the amazing work that's going on here, and I'm glad to know that it's going to be extended for at least another decade, if not more.